Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an intermediate oxygen tank. First, ensure you understand its purpose in oxygen delivery. Then, learn to connect it safely and securely. Identify proper flow rate settings for effective use, and know when and how to monitor oxygen levels. This foundational knowledge is crucial for safe and efficient operation. Setting up your oxygen tank correctly is vital. Begin by inspecting the tank for any damage or leaks. Next, confirm your regulator is compatible with the tank valve. Carefully align the regulator pins with the tank's indentations, then attach it firmly, hand tightening the T-handle. Finally, connect your oxygen tubing to the regulator's outlet port. Once connected, slowly open the tank valve by turning it counterclockwise one full turn. The pressure gauge will show the tank's contents. Now, adjust the flow rate knob to your prescribed setting, typically in liters per minute. Monitor the patient's response and regularly check the tank's pressure gauge to avoid running out of oxygen. Keep the tubing clear. Safety is paramount when using oxygen. Always store tanks upright and secured to prevent them from falling. Keep oxygen equipment at least 6 feet away from heat sources, open flames, and electrical appliances. Never use oil, grease, or petroleum-based products on or near oxygen equipment. Replace empty tanks promptly and ensure proper ventilation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.